In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser without reinstalling the browser itself. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if you don't already have it open. You want to navigate over to the menu icon near the top right, left click on it, and then go down and left click on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you get to Advanced and left click on that once to expand the view. Scroll all the way down until you get to Reset. Reset restores settings to their original defaults. Left click on that. You will receive a new pop-up here saying this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Left click on the reset button here to begin the process. This will take a couple moments to run, so please be patient. And there you go, guys. Once you've done that, just close out of the web browser. And I would recommend reopening it after you've closed out of it once, just to make sure everything's good, and you guys should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.